Today we're opening up Cra-Z-Slimy. It's scented. That means it has a smell. What do you think it's gonna smell like? Maybe pumpkins? Cookies? Alright, you wanna open it?
Yeah.
What do you see? A bat. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. What's this, baby?
Cra-Z-Slimy.
Cra-Z-Slimy. So we got spiders. We got a skeleton. A ghost. Ooh. We got a mummy. We got glitter bats. And then we got just glitter. Slime. Alright, let's take it out. Ooh, can you help me?
Ew.
How does it? Oh, it smells good. What does it smell like? It smells pretty good.
It makes slime.
Spooky slime. What's that?
Disgusting.
Help us! I'm stuck in the slime.
I was hungry. Look away. Go, go, go.
I think I'm coming out. Hey! I got myself out of the slime. So did I. Oh, look at this spooky bag.